Gypsy's trees, but Chunk's down here barking at something. To another episode of Louisiana Hunting. Tonight I'm in the same block of woods I took Fury in on the last video, but tonight's a little different. I had to bring out one of the all-stars. So I've got Tiger with us tonight, and Gypsy and Chunk. So we're gonna see what these three dogs can do. So y'all stay tuned and join us. All right, just turned them loose, and I'm gonna walk a little ways, because I turned them loose right here off this road, and I'm just trying to get them pointed in that direction. They're still cleaning out. So, come on, Chunk. Come on, Gypsy, get ahead. Gypsy then went on and left everybody else. So, it's gonna be a quick one tonight. We got some weather moving in. We're supposed to get some bad weather closer towards the first of the week. This is Thursday night, so I'm trying to get all the hunting in while I can before it comes ice storm. So that way I'll have some videos ahead. Get ahead, Chunk. This one, I probably shouldn't have brought him with this puppy, mainly because he's gonna hang around me. Tiger is not a cast them and send them on through the woods type of dog. Now if he'd have been with Gypsy, he would have went with her, but she left out before he got finished cleaning out. So we're getting off this road, getting in these woods. But anyway, so it's gonna be a lot of Chunk and Tiger hanging around me tonight till Gypsy opens up, and then they're gonna move in there with her, hopefully. Fingers crossed. Somebody has climbed that tree. That was me last year. I want y'all to look at the acorns and the pretty dog. Look at the acorns. They're everywhere. Well, that's why we're having a bad year. First a drought, now acorns are everywhere. So they're having to hunt for them. Well, Gypsy sounds like she's treed in here. Tiger, I had to tone him. He went back to the truck. He heard a truck going down the road and went back thinking it was me. That's the bad thing about roading dogs. And Chunk got shocked off an armadillo, so we're starting off all right tonight. Oh, there's Tiger, man. Good boy, Tiger. I know you idiots can hear. Y'all get on in there. Y'all can hear. Get in there, Tiger. That right leg don't go up as high as it used to. Well, she must have got down and started checking herself. I don't hear her. She's 400 yards in here, so we're going to ease a little closer. Oh no, she's still there. She just got down and checked herself for a minute. She moved that track. She started in here about 220 yards from me and just milled around for a second and took off with it. I think she got her locked down, but we'll find out in a minute. That old wind blowing right to her. So it don't sound like she's as close as she is. I don't think she's treed anymore. And it don't sound like she's moved either, so. Oh yeah, she's still treed. Go through this thick one. We're almost in here. Ooh, she's up a good one. Still a fire slope way out here. It's a short good one. Can't see the top of it from here. Probably a den tree. Get on this tree. Get on that tree. Get on it. Get on it. Get on that tree. Get on that tree, tiger. Yep, big old hollow. Right there. You can see it, big hollow. Take that. All the way, I see several holes. There's another hole right there. Oh, there's an eyeball. I can't tell what it is. Probably a squirrel. Big old den tree. I hate that. Oh yeah, I got him. I got an eye anyway. I got an eye right there. He looked. I got him to look. So I know she got one. That's odd to get one to look on the other side of a hole. I don't know if I got it on film or not, but I did get him to look. I guess he went up in that limb and come back down. I don't know. But you don't know if you can see that hole right there, but that tree's hollow. And we're gonna move on. Good girl, Gypsy. Speak to him, baby girl. Speak to him. Speak to him, Gypsy. You ain't doing that, you can't. Speak to him, baby girl. Come on, come on. Alright, I'm sitting here. I got these tiger and this pup with me. Gypsy's out here in front of me, about 60 yards. They covering this old ditch. I don't know how well y'all can see it. But she done moved a little bit. But I come over here to move her because she kind of got stuck just for a second. And if I just walk in here, she'll feel the pressure and she'll move on out. Feel like she's gonna tree another den. Figured they'd be moving tonight, and she's treeing right now. She's checking herself. What are you doing up here with me? You better go hunting. He run something a while ago and I tried shocking him. I figured it was an armadillo or a rabbit. I just saw a big old swamp rabbit. That thing was 17 inches long if I ain't sitting here. Just hunkered down. And I had the little controller in my hand waiting on him to jump and run so I could get him again. He's smarter than I am, look at him. He's winning something right here. Get here. He don't care what Gypsy's doing at all. And will not back her on the tree. Independent. Ooh. That dog is a very definition of an independent dog. And all four of them are like that, as far as I know. Well, I know 3 of them are. I don't know about the 4th one. Smoke. I don't know about him. I don't even know if he's getting hunted. I don't have contact with that fella. But anyway, I gotta climb a mountain
go down a slick one. I didn't bring my mountain climbing boots with my stick, so I'm trying not to bust my butt. It's got enough stickiness to it that it holds you in place. The lake is right down there at the end of this little old chute. Walk down here and climb up this little incline.
Tiger ain't opened not one time tonight. Which he's got her lick you, so he can't smell as good as Gypsy. Now he did run, I say run track. He didn't ever open, but he had his nose on the ground and he was leading the way. And that ended pretty quick. But anyway, he is what he is. He's my dog. I like him. He's greedy. He don't hardly back down from nothing. I think I could sick him on a grizzly bear. Dadgum.
She got deep quick. She 327 yards.
Boy, she picked her track up and went with it. And we got caught with our pants down, sitting on a log. So I'm gonna walk on in here and get a little closer. Trying to just stay close to her. And I can't see with this light in my face, so y'all hang in there. You know, this is why I say lacrosse makes the best boots for this. So if anybody with lacrosse is watching, I just bought another pair. I could use another pair. But these about to wore off all the sole and they got holes in them. But I got another pair of these with a chap sewed on coming. Alright, he's in here with us. Tree. Probably doing. Where's that, Tiger? She's got him up this tree. Well, Gypsy has him, so I'm finna try to get around here and show him to you.
I'll quit blinding myself. Get on that tree, Gypsy. Gypsy, get on that tree. Get back on that tree, baby. Alright, I can't see him from this way, but I'm going to say, if he's not in that fort, he's in that fort right there. Everything looks different from over here. Let me go back to where I was at.
And Chunk is off out here behind me running the track. I don't know what he's running. And don't know how far he is. I can't hear him no more.
Get on that tree, baby girl. Get on that tree. Alright. He's right there. I'm gonna see if I can't get him to look. Chunk is 523 yards running something. I think he's running junk. He's running junk. He'll be back in a minute.
Alright, I'm gonna wait on him to come back, so y'all hold on. All right, I'm gonna let that be the end of this one. I gotta get Chunk back to me and I gotta get back to the truck because this storm's fixing to come in. So this has been another episode, Louisiana Hunting. Don't forget to subscribe, like, click that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Remember, it's all about these dogs.
And there's Chunk.